There was a mention setting up a plant in India, right, earlier. Can you share some light as to what is the status of that and other plans or has something happened?
Yes, with pleasure. Let's say that we have already hired some people at Delvitech to qualify the supply chain. What we are doing right now is a qualification of the supply chain. We already qualified some different subcontractors, and we are basically acquiring these materials, moving these materials to Switzerland, do the quality test, assembling machine in Switzerland. We are now in the last phase. We predict during the last 3 months of the year to start training people in India, and we predict in Q1 2026 to set up the manufacturing plant here in Bangalore, where, let's say, we will take care for mass volume production, and our idea is to start, let's say, Q1, start with 5-10 machines per month, and from there rapidly grow up until we reach a quota of 2,000, 3,000 machines per year. And everything will happen with products that will be delivered from subcontractors in India to our factory, and we do the final assembly of the machine. We will receive from Switzerland the optical head. We do the final test, final calibration, and then we deliver to customers not only in India, but throughout the world.
So India would become a second manufacturing hub or the main manufacturing hub of the North?
So India will become the main manufacturing site for Delvitech, but we will still have our manufacturing site in Switzerland. In Switzerland, we will be limited to 20, 30 machines per month, no more. But Switzerland will be used more for the European market and for the pre-series prototype and to understand all the new features, pre-series and so on, while India will just be dedicated to mass volume for everywhere in the world.
Thank you, Mr. Gatti, for being there on this interview. Thanks for taking your time, right? It's been a pleasure to speak to you. Right.
Thank you, and once more, it's a pleasure for me to have this company in India. It's a pleasure for me to be closer to the Indian customers. We will continue to enlarge our facilities here in India and to enlarge our operations because we have a lot of things, a lot of new things coming. We are enlarging the market and we want to be successful together with India. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And if you have any questions, feedbacks or comments about this interview, please post it and we'll share it with the Delvitech team and have them reply as soon as possible. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.